welcome back. In this video we will see how to convert image to the vector in Figma. So guys, if you want to convert the image into the vector, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you choose your image. After choose your image guys, there is a one action button, so you just click on the action and here you simply search the image tracer. So simply search image tracer. Now guys, here you see the application is not showing here like your plugins, so guys simply click the option of plugins and widgets. Okay, when you click it, so guys it's loading and guys here is your image tracer. Okay, and you just click on it and it will take few seconds and it's start. And guys, insert the traced image. So guys, here you see this is before and this is the after. Okay, so you just upgrade or wait to insert. Okay, so you need to wait for the few seconds. Then if you want to if you have the lot of image, so you simply click the option of upgrade. Okay, so this is the effect and this is the way that you can convert. And if you go to the advanced settings, so it also asks for the premium. Okay, so guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.